I'm Laura Perrin, and I'm a junior studying interactive visual communication at Ohio University, and I care about the power of learning outside of the classroom. I'm a 2016 recipient of the Cutler Scholarship, and that has just been probably the best and most life-changing decision to come here and pursue the opportunities that were made available through that scholarship. I come from a really small rural town, so the way that program supports travel and just out of the classroom learning experiences, those are really appealing to me. Because of the generosity of the Cutler Scholars Program, I was able to pursue a really unique internship experience the summer after my sophomore year. I was working for the Conservation Council for Hawaii, and so I was able to bridge my interest in the environment and conservation efforts with my design degree, and it was just completely made possible by the Cutler program. These kinds of experiences are important because they teach us lessons that we can't always get in a classroom. And from my own personal experience with the Cutler program, I know firsthand how impactful this kind of support can be to a student. I'm passionate about academic excellence because I care about the power of learning outside of the classroom. On April 18th, give to what you care about most during Ohio's first ever Giving Day.